This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing strings, tuners, bridge, and pickguard, and bagging screws so nothing gets lost. Once done, determine the finish. A solvent-friendly nitrocellulose will soften with lacquer thinner, while polyurethane resists and needs heat or sanding. Test a hidden spot to confirm. Make sure to work outdoors or in a ventilated space and wear nitrile gloves and an organic vapor respirator. This protects you while the chemical or heat work begins and lets you immediately move into controlled stripping. Choose chemical stripping for ornate curves and mechanical for heavy polyurethane. You apply a gel stripper in thin coats, wait 10 to 20 minutes, then gently lift softened paint with a plastic scraper. Repeat as needed. If paint resists, switch to a heat gun at about 300 degrees F, holding it moving and shallow to avoid scorching. Then use a soft scraper. Once most finish is gone, sand progressively, 220, then 320, then 400 grit, working with the grain and protecting binding and contours by hand sanding. After removal, clean the surface with mineral spirits and a tack cloth so you can inspect the wood clearly. Make sure to check for dense or raised grain, fill small imperfections with compatible grain filler, sand flush, and then re-clean. If you encounter bubbles, deep scorches, or solvent lifting, stop immediately. Feather sand the affected area until smooth, test repair on a scrap, and choose a gentler approach, more sanding or a different stripper, so you don't worsen the damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.